what to do. They're everywhere. Oh, this is a giant. This is a giant. I should have got 2 holes. That's a big freaking fish. Big freaking fish. It's a blue. It's a blue cat, I think. It's a big fucking fish. This is wild. I just got here. Like I said, I don't have any other cameras set up. Came out to a spot my buddy recommended. There's hundreds of fish everywhere. They're fired up. I just hooked up with a giant. I'm screwed, probably. I'm by myself, don't have a 10-inch hole. Ice is super clear, super thick. What do we got? It's a giant though. Yep, it's a blue cat, I'm pretty sure. Come on, buddy. Just come up to the hole. He will not come up to the hole at all. We got one. We got one. Yes. We freaking got one. Not a monster, but our first big Nebraska blue cat ever. First hole I drilled. Freaking monster.